Yo, today we're checking out a product called Volt 176. I wanted to get the 276, but I couldn't quite afford it. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing. The box arrived kind of beat up. That was a little disappointing. One of the corners right there, looks like someone dropped it. And I'll leave my address out of there. Let me go ahead and get this thing. Right. Alright, so here's your side of the box. You get Ableton Live, Virtual Drummer, Ampeg, SVT VR Classic, LX480 Essentials, Relab, Celemani, Melodyne Essentials. You get all this software with it. I don't know if that's only if you buy it new, whether there's a code you got to put in, or how that works. You can probably get this stuff even if you don't buy it. It's usually the way it works. Having a little trouble doing this one-handed, but we got it out. Come on. There we go. Alright, there's the box. Volt on the top. Flip it open. Got some foam here. Wasn't super impressed with the packaging on this. Hopefully this isn't a used model. It was sealed when I got it, but focus. There we go. There's a QR code. Hopefully I didn't give it away, but I think it's just to a website. And then in the bottom you get your little accessory box. Just want to go ahead and look at the device itself before we do that. So here's the front. Got your volume, your 48 volt phantom, your instrument light, headphone, volume. Flip it up to the top. You've got your 76 compressor, your vintage. So these are all buttons you can press. As you can see, it's kind of a hard press, not a soft press. There's your logo. There's your levels. Got your monitor level, your gain level. I'm not sure what direct does. Is that a button, or that's a button as well? I'm not sure how that works. Then on the back, flip it around. On the back, you've got your universal audio. You've got MIDI in, MIDI out. Your balanced inputs, or balanced monitor on the right, USB-C, and 5 volt DC with a power switch. That's pretty much it. Give you a look on the sides. That's the wood grain. It's a pretty neat looking device. That wasn't the reason that I purchased it, but it's a nice touch. Kind of an old school vibe to it, and that's why you have kind of the 76 compressor and the vintage, so to kind of go with that feel. So yeah, that's the device. Let's go ahead and see what we got on the accessories. Just gonna go like this. Okay, you got your instructions manual. We'll throw that aside. So USB-C cable, and then the power adapter is just a USB, so I don't know if you can power it by USB-C and then forget the external power, or whether you can have to do both. So we'll find that out later. Hopefully I'll do a review, but that'll be in the future. Certainly not anytime soon, because I need to test the device as much as I can before I do that. Thanks for watching, everyone. This has been the Volt 176. Links in the description if this is a product that interests you. The reviews are very good, and I definitely do recommend this device, even though I haven't tried it yet. But if you're interested, you can wait till that review comes out, subscribe, and check that out. But that won't be for quite some time. Anyways, this has been the Volt 176. Thanks for watching.